for about 5 or 6 years in a row, I scraped my garage door because the paint was just not right. So I finally spent $1,200 on a new garage door. $1,200. 8 days later, I 8 days later, I pull up, and there is my college-age son, Isaac, and 3 of his buddies playing stickball in my driveway in front of my brand-new garage door, white garage door, and I see 3 gashes in it, and my eyes go right to it. I'm going to claim victory for all dads here. Did I rage? I did not rage. Applause, applause. I did not rage. Because my mind instantly calculated what was going on. There were no cops in the driveway. There were no beer cans on the lawn. They weren't in the basement playing some creepy, cruddy, dark video game. They were in my driveway playing the time-honored game of stickball. Now, I knew they played stickball in my driveway. That's why I spent $1,200 and got the industrial-grade garage door, because I knew it would withstand the wiffle ball hits. But what I didn't know was that on the backswing, they would gouge my door. Now, to his credit, Isaac saw my car coming down the street and jogged out and said, "Dad, we gashed the garage door." So give him credit for that, totally. But I'm going to take full credit for not raging. Broom handle, $4. Wiffle ball, $3. Garage door, $1,200. But wiffle ball, my college-age son and his 3 buddies, that's priceless. Harmon Killebrew, the Twins power hitter, remember him from several years back, tells this story that he and his brothers and dad were out goofing around in the front yard, and Mom came out the screen door and said, "You guys are tearing up the grass." And Harmon's dad said, "Sweetheart, we're not raising grass, we're raising boys." There's plenty of time to re-sod and re-screen and re-carpet later on, guys, when they're gone.